Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, my friends. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you sleepy? Are you angry? As for me, I'm so happy to be with you today. It's English for fun and my name is teacher Alice. And what is your name?
My name is Pikachu.
I'm glad to meet you, Pikachu. How are you?
Happy.
I'm happy too. As you can see, we have Pikachu here and he will help us to learn colors. So let's learn colors with Pikachu. What color is it? It's red. Red. Repeat after me. Red. What color is it? It's yellow. It's yellow. Repeat after me. Yellow. What color is it? It's orange. It's orange. Repeat after me. Orange. What color is it? It's green. 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 What color is it? It's blue. It's blue. Repeat after me. Blue. What color is it? It's purple. It's purple. Repeat after me. Purple. What color is it? It's pink. It's pink. Repeat after me. Pink. And what color is it? It's brown. It's brown. Repeat after me. Brown. What color is it? It's black. It's black. Repeat after me. Black. And what color is it? It's gray. It's gray. Repeat after me. Gray. And the last color is? It's white. It's white. Repeat after me. White. Good job! Well done you! Congratulations! And now, let's practice colors with Pikachu!
Pika pi, Pikachu, Pika Pika, Pika Pika.
What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is yellow. Pikachu is yellow. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is orange. Pikachu is orange. What color is Pikachu now? Pikachu is red. Pikachu is red. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is pink. Pikachu is pink. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is purple. Pikachu is purple. What color is Pikachu now? Pikachu is green. Pikachu is green. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is blue. Pikachu is blue. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is brown. Pikachu is brown. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is black. Pikachu is black. What color is Pikachu? Pikachu is gray. Pikachu is gray. What color is Pikachu now? Pikachu is white. Pikachu is white.
Pika pi, Pikachu, pika pika, pika, pika pika.
I hope that you are enjoying our English practice with Pikachu. And now it's song time. Today a song is Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Are you ready? Let's sing. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. These are the colors of the rainbow. These are the colors of the rainbow. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you like this song? Come on, let's sing it together. 3, 2, 1, go! Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. These are the colors of the rainbow. These are the colors of the rainbow. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Do you know the colors of the rainbow? Well done! I hope you enjoy the song, you enjoy our class. It's Teacher Alice and Pikachu in English for fun. See you next time and we will learn a lot of things together. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.
Pikachu, pika pika, pika, pika pika, pika pika, pika.